how affiliate marketing can generate additional income for you. Hi everyone, this is Oladiti Dayo. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how affiliate marketing can generate additional income for you. Okay, there are a lot of people that have been complaining how they cannot pay their bills. Maybe their landlord is about to chase them out of their homes, how they cannot pay their children school fees, how they cannot even feed. Okay, they are even finding it difficult to feed. Some have not even collected salaries for so many months. Okay, so how can some of these people use affiliate marketing to generate additional income? Okay, even if you have a means of income, or maybe your income is low, okay, you can use affiliate marketing to generate additional income. How can this be possible? Okay, first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a kind of performance-based marketing where you are being paid to promote and make sales for products and services that you did not create by yourself. Okay, so the first thing is you don't have to create those products by yourself. The products are already there. All you have to do is just promote. Okay, and you can be paid in different ways. There are affiliate marketing programs that pay you a fixed amount as your affiliate commission once you generate a sale. Okay, there are affiliate marketing programs that will pay you a certain percentage of the product price or the services price. Okay, so there are different type of affiliate marketing. You have only one single tier affiliate marketing, two-tier affiliate marketing, where you are being paid on two levels. There are recurring commissions, there are one-off commissions, different type of commission. And the good thing is your earnings are not capped, as in you don't have limit to the amount you can earn. Okay, unlike maybe salaries and stuff that you already have a fixed amount that you'll be paid maybe at the end of the month. In affiliate marketing, you have opportunity to earn as much as possible. So how can someone take advantage of this, and where can you get affiliate products? Okay, where you get the affiliate products are called affiliate networks. Okay, affiliate networks include the ClickBank that everybody knows, ClickBank, the JVZoo, the Warrior Plus, but all those ones are not really too good for Nigerians, because if you join maybe ClickBank, JVZoo or Warrior Plus, you will be competing against all these foreigners that have big advert budgets. So you might not earn that much. Okay, but if you are very good at the art of promoting, there is nothing preventing you from joining ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. And another disadvantage of joining all those foreign affiliate networks is you'll be paid through PayPal, which obviously is not to the Nigerian PayPal is not accepting. Okay, you cannot accept fund, but you can buy, So there is one affiliate network in Nigeria that a whole lot of people are trying to plug into the network, and they are really making it. Okay, so the network is called Expertnear. Okay, Expertnear is a platform where you get high value digital products. Okay, you get it there without you creating those products. They are already there. All you have to do is just log in into the platform, get the promotion link, and start promoting. Okay, so this is how affiliate marketing works. Once you sign up on the affiliate network, they will give you a unique referral ID or unique referral URL. Once you have this, you promote. Okay, so where most people find it difficult is creating their customer base. Okay, so before you will start promoting any affiliate program, I will advise you have to research the product. Make sure it's a product that is solving a problem. Okay, people will not buy product that is not useful to them. People buy based on emotion or based on fear. Okay, so if somebody has a problem and your product, you can position your product as the best product that will solve the person's problem, do you think the person will buy? The person will definitely buy. But if you promote products that are not useful, nobody's going to buy from you. Okay, so do your product research the product properly. Make sure the product is able to deliver the promises. Okay, if you have the money, even buy the product and use it. Okay, use it so that you will be able to give review that and testimony that this thing is working. Okay, so once you have researched the product, you will research your audience. Who are the people that this product is going to help, and where are they? Where can you find them? Okay, so those are the things that you have to put in place first before you start promoting affiliate products. If you get those things right, you are going to make so much money promoting affiliate products. Okay, so if you want to create your customer base or buyer list, if you want to create a buyer list, you can do it in two ways. It's either you use WhatsApp that you have been using. You can use it to create your customer list, and once you are able to create the list, then you'll be able to market to those lists. You have a group of people that are interested in something, and you have a product that you know that it will help them to solve the problem. Okay, so you deliver the product to them. There is a way you have to do this thing systematically. Okay, and let's say you are able to create a group that contains 200 people. Okay, and you found an affiliate product that is selling for 45,000 naira and gives affiliate commission of 50%. Okay, so if out of the 200 people, only 10 you are able to do maybe 2% conversion, that is just 10 people. Okay, 10 people or 200, no, 2% conversion, 1% conversion, let's say 1% conversion, that is 200. That's the 1% conversion of 200 people is like 20. Okay, it's like 20 people. So if you times 20 by 22,500, so you will see that that's 450,000. Maybe somebody that the salary is 30,000. If you can plug into this affiliate marketing, you could be earning millions. Maybe that is 450,000. You can create another group again and still do the same. There are so many products. If you try this product, you create another group for the next product, so like that you'll be earning consistently, weekly. So another way you can do it is by creating email lists. Okay, so for the email list is a little bit on the advanced side, because you have to create your pre-sale content, maybe a video or article or stuff. So there is a way you create the pre-sale content, then you create a landing page, and that will that you embed a kind of lead capture form into it, so that once you you promote your pre-sale content on social media, maybe on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even through Facebook ad or any other ad. Okay, once they land on your landing page, they will now put in their email name and the rest. So you capture those and you direct it to autoresponder. Okay, so once you direct it to autoresponder, it will take it up from there and start sending them messages on a regular basis, urging them to buy, educating them, advising them, until they will say okay, they buy. Okay, so if you are able to build a list of 1,000 people, let's assume the ad you run, maybe you spend maybe like 10,000 to run a Facebook ad. You might spend more than that. This just, if you spend like 10,000 and you are able to build a list of 1,000 people, out of the 1,000, if only 10 buy a product and you are selling the product at 45,000, that's 22,500. So you end up making maybe almost 250,000 from only 1,000. And that does not mean the remaining people will not buy. They will still buy. You continue to promote to them. Okay, so if this is easier than you actually think. So I will leave a link in the description to this video to two different products that can show you exactly how to do this step by step. Okay, if you want to use the WhatsApp method, that you'll be using WhatsApp to promote affiliate product and make sales. I mean, it's crazy the amount of money you can make when you actually follow the link. Okay, so I will leave the link for the WhatsApp affiliate marketing, WhatsApp instant marketing, and the second one that will show you how to build a list, how to build your pre-sale content, how to write the follow-up emails, everything about digital marketing and using it to make money online. So the link to that also will be in the description to this video. Okay, don't just sit down and complain. Okay, complaining will not solve any problem for you. You have to take action. Okay, if you are going through any financial problems, complaining only will not solve the problem. You have to take action. Okay, so click on the link in the description to this video and you will be able to see exactly how affiliate marketing is being done. Okay, I'm even going to add another one, because there are some people that they will prefer to use all those foreign affiliate networks like JVZoo and the rest. I'm going to add that one for you too, so that you don't have any excuse for you not to make it through all this affiliate marketing. So you have the WhatsApp instant marketing, how to promote affiliate product through WhatsApp. You have how to create online business. Yes, online business that is recession proof through affiliate marketing. I'll call that one 72 hours implementation program. Okay, so within 72 hours you'll be able to build affiliate marketing business that it is recession proof and can generate a whole lot of income for you. The third one is affiliate marketing on JVZoo. Yes, I have to add this one because there are some people that they are already advanced in the affiliate marketing. They just want to increase their knowledge and exposure about the affiliate marketing, and this affiliate marketing through JVZoo will surely help those people in that category. So there are 3 links in the description to this video, so click on the one that is applicable to you. Till I see you in my next video, I say bye bye and stay blessed.